Check out this gutter trailer. I got a 5-6 combo in here. This one's got the guillotines, but we can have another package as well. Mini crate, ready to go. This is a 6x12 V-nose, so you get a little bit extra space up front. You can load your coil right here. There's a side door as well. And dual axle with brakes. And this one's got the premium bolt-ons, so it will not unglue like the new trailers. The V series with the ramp, so very exciting. If you guys need a machine with a trailer, or just the trailer, or just a machine, this one's ready to go. Let's see if we can open up the machine and show you. So if we go here, open this up. Oh, got the manual in there, very brand new. Got the tools, super cool. I'll make sure this doesn't get lost for your warranty. So 5 and 6 inch shear, safety pins. You can put your downspouts in here, your scrap metal, ready to go.